Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your go-to source for authentic hardware that brings history home. Today, we're counting down 5 hardware styles that have never gone out of fashion and might just be the perfect fit for your next project. When it comes to home design, trends may come and go, but great hardware lasts for generations. Today, we're counting down 5 antique hardware styles that have stood the test of time, loved by designers, collectors, and homeowners alike. Let's get started. Number 5, Craftsman style. Simple, honest, functional. Craftsman hardware first rose to prominence in the early 20th century with the arts and crafts movement. Its signature look, clean lines, squared edges, and hand-hammered finishes. It's the perfect match for bungalow homes, mission-style furniture, or any space that values warm wood tones and subtle craftsmanship. And its versatility makes it just as relevant in today's homes as it was a century ago. Coming in at number 4, the rice pattern. This pattern has quietly endured as one of the most timeless decorative styles. Inspired by Federal and Georgian designs, rice pattern hardware features elegant, symmetrical detailing, often with subtle leaf or grain motifs. It brings a refined, classic touch to doors, cabinetry, and furniture without overwhelming the design. If you're working on a traditional space or colonial revival home, this is a go-to that always feels appropriate. Number 3, mid-century modern. Sleek, sculptural, and surprisingly adaptable, mid-century hardware is known for its use of clean geometry, brushed metals, and minimalist profiles. Originally paired with atomic age architecture, it now shows up in everything from modern kitchens to eclectic living rooms. Whether it's a streamlined cabinet pole or a bold backplate, mid-century pieces offer function with just the right amount of flair. At number 2, Art Deco. Bold, glamorous, and unmistakably stylish, Art Deco hardware features steepled forms, geometric shapes, and rich finishes like polished nickel and brass. It rose to prominence in the 1920s and 30s and still brings an instant touch of elegance to interiors. Whether you're restoring a vintage bathroom or adding drama to a front door, Art Deco hardware makes a statement that never feels dated. And finally, number 1, French Rococo. Ornate, romantic, and dripping with detail. French Rococo hardware emerged in the 18th century with a flourish, literally. Think scrolling leaves, floral patterns, and rich, flowing forms. It's a favorite for antique furniture, gilded mirrors, and historic restorations. But it also has a place in modern spaces where it can add contrast and character. When you want something lavish, nothing competes with Rococo. Each of these styles tells a story, and while their forms may be rooted in different centuries, they all share something in common: timeless appeal and lasting beauty. So whether you're restoring a historic home or adding just a touch of the past to a modern space, these 5 hardware styles are always worth reaching for. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. If you enjoyed this look at timeless hardware styles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more design inspiration and historical deep dives. And be sure to check the description below for links to all the products featured in today's video. We've made it easy for you to explore and shop your favorites.